Hello, hi and welcome to a new video from CircuitDigest. This is Sharad, and in this video we'll be talking about this BMS. This is a 4S 40 amp module which is specifically designed for motor applications or for drills, but can also be used for other applications. So in this video we'll be talking about its features, what all protection feature it provides, and apart from that we'll also see how the protection system works. So if you want to see how the module actually works and what all features it has, how the whole system works, we have a reverse engineering video where we have explained every component and how the component is working and the functionality of the system. You can check the link given in the description below, so do check it out. So basically this is a 4S 1P battery pack, but if we want we can connect higher capacity cells or cells in parallel, 4S 2P, 4S 3P or more. This module comes in three variants: the standard version, enhanced version and the balanced version. We are dealing with the balanced version. We have the balanced version which has an extra IC which is used for balancing the cell. Apart from that, the connections of all the three module is exactly the same, and I'll show you how you can connect the module with the BMS. So I just removed all the components so that it becomes easier for us to understand how the circuit is working, and I'll explain everything in detail in the next video, link of which can be found in the description below. So now coming to the connection of BMS with the battery pack. So here we have the 0 volt which is connected to the negative terminal of the first battery. Then we have 4.2 volt which is connected to the positive terminal of the first battery. Then we have 8.4 volt which is connected to the positive terminal of second battery. Then we have this 12.6 volt which is connected to the positive terminal of third battery, and then we have the 16.8 volt which is connected to the positive terminal of the final battery or the fourth cell. Now the plus and minus are for connecting the positive and negative terminal to the load as well as to the charger. So now we'll test the balancing capability of the BMS. We have a battery pack with cells having different voltages. As you can see, all the cells are having different voltages. Now after charging the cell, we'll measure the voltages again. The voltage of first cell is 3.965. The voltage of second cell is 3.961. The voltage of third cell is 3.93. and the voltage of fourth cell is 3.935. So as you can see, the deviation of the voltage is very low as compared to the previous version where the deviation was very high. Now checking the over voltage protection. So as you can see, I'm measuring the voltage of the output of the charger. It is 17 volt. Now I've connected the charger and measuring the voltage across the terminal where the charger is connected. It is also showing 17.92 volt. Now since it is 17.92 volt, so the battery, most of the cells are overcharged and the battery protection system has already kicked in. So now I'll connect the positive and negative terminal of the battery, and as you can see it is 6.29 volt. So you can see that the positive and negative terminal of our battery pack and that of our BMS is different, which shows that there is no connection between the BMS and the battery pack, which shows that it is not charging anymore. Now in the final part we'll be showing how the short circuit protection works. So here you can see that I've connected a bulb with my battery pack and attached the BMS. Now I'll short the positive and negative terminal of the BMS, and as soon as I connected shorted the wire, it stopped working. Now until I switch off all the components, it won't start working. And as soon as I switched off everything and switched it on, it started working, which shows that the short circuit protection of a system is working fine. So the conclusion is, this 4S 40 amp battery management system is a simple and easy to use module having advanced feature which can extend the battery pack's life. Apart from extending the life, it is also protecting the cell and the whole battery pack from causing fires or experiencing the thermal runaway, thus protecting the battery pack and the surrounding from potential fire hazards. The breakdown and complete explanation of this BMS, its component and how it works is explained in another video, link of which can be found in the description below. I hope that you enjoyed the article. If you have any query, kindly put it in comments. Thanks for watching the video. We'll meet next time with another video from CircuitDigest.